Welcome to the world of digital advertising on my YouTube channel, No Online Advertising. Focusing on the changing behavior of consumers, especially when it comes to deciding what products to buy. Today, let's see how influencer marketing can be a great tool for brands, especially when it comes to convincing their potential customers. Before getting into what influencer marketing exactly is, let's understand who are influencers. Influencer can be those social media accounts who have a large following, and usually anything that is posted by them reaches a larger audience. These are the people who are looked up to by their followers, and their opinions about anything or everything can create a huge impact. For instance, social media accounts on Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube with large number of followers can be a potential influencer for the brands. Now let's see what is influencer marketing. Somewhat similar in concept to brand endorsement by celebrities, in influencer marketing, brands focuses on identifying the right influencer, and then they are the ones who speak on behalf of the brands. The campaign is practically run by the influencer, wherein all the promotional content and messages are posted by the influencer on its social media handles. It is extremely vital for the brand to choose the right influencer for them. There are certain key characteristics that each influencer must possess. Having a large reach is something imperative. In fact, that's the whole idea of using an influencer at the first place. Influencer must have a large following with loyal fans who must have immense trust in whatever opinions are shared by the influencer. Influencer must have a knowledge about the brand and its product which they are going to promote on their social media handles. In fact, influencers themselves are very conscious about the product which they are going to promote, as they don't want to mislead their followers. So usually they opt for the products which they truly believe in. Influencers must come up with engaging content to attract their followers. They can share their experience in the form of storytelling. Now let's look at some of the key advantages of using influencer marketing. With large reach, influencer marketing is capable in driving more sales for the brands. The word of mouth advertising, especially coming from the influencer, is highly effective in attracting the larger group of people. SEO score also improves drastically for the brands, as when a social media post with a brand's name on it is shared multiple times, it improves the overall SEO for the brand. With influencer marketing, brands are able to achieve higher return on investment. On an average, for every $1 spent, they are able to make $6.5. That's huge. Now let's look at one of the very famous examples of influencer marketing campaigns by Pepsi. Aiming to drive engagement and attracting the millennials, Pepsi came up with a limited edition packaging wherein each bottle of Pepsi had an emoji depicting the mood of the customer. Pepsi engaged with influential accounts on Twitter and asked them to develop organic style content and share in the form of blog post, photography, and video. This emerged as a highly successful campaign for Pepsi, as it received 46 million impressions and over 50,000 measurable engagements with campaign. That brings us to the end of this video. I hope this was informative, and for more information you can visit my website noonlineadvertising.com. Thank you all for watching.